Okay, so to change the switch, once you've opened the door, you're going to remove 1, 2, and 3 screws. Once you've released those screws, there's a little screw in the back holding the connecting lever right there. There's this screw right here. So you get it to focus. Come on. There it is. See that screw on the left there? Yeah. We're going to take that screw out. And to make this easier, we're going to actually drop this. But sometimes these are hard. Like if you end up with a double handle, it's kind of a pain. Really? So, are you going to do it on this one?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Maybe another one here.
And number 3 is at the bottom. Okay, here, up in this just so it's easier.
Oh yeah, I can see all the, yeah.
It can be done without dropping this, but
Yeah,
we're just doing it because now we can really see. So the next screw is that guy right there. And a little stubby. Can you get it with impact?
Yeah. Put it down. You put this down and in fact it's good too.
Okay, so now all the screws are out. I didn't realize impact fit.
Yeah.
Makes life easier.
I push this down. It's already off. So the other thing that goes down is this.
So there.
The screw has to come out.
And there you go. So next, he's got to give me the handle. And we're going to grab a new one. Because we're going to move one part over. So this is what the new ones look like. See how it says A and B? So what you got to do is look at your old handle. And you'll see the same markings. So we're going to use B. And it's just a little C-clip. So
Yeah, if you had a C,
a little C-clip there. Here, you want to film?
Yeah.
So, we're homeless today and we don't have the correct tool to pull these out.
Yeah.
So you're just going to use a flathead screwdriver. Spin the clip so it just looks like that. And then just put your thumb on top and pull. It'll come. Just like that.
Yeah.
So save your C-clip, pull this out. That's garbage. New handle, pull B. Take your C-clip, line it up. Take your screwdriver, put your thumb there so it doesn't move, and then just carefully just push it on. And just make sure it's seated. And that is it.
Yeah, it's holding.
And now we're just going to repeat the process.
Yeah, so I put this one in. Did you show me?
Yeah, I already did the light bulbs. I showed
did you show
them.
this one? Oh.
Yeah. Whatever. Doesn't hurt to show it again.
So now we do. So this is the top, that's the bottom. First thing you do, you just put this back the way it was. And you push it up so it's gonna hold. So you see down here? The bottom side is bigger than the top, so kind of push it up and it's gonna the screws are gonna line up.
Yep.
So the only thing you push in is this one. So once you do that, you push everything. I like 1 2 screws has to go in first. first one is gonna be this guy.
Don't crank down those screws. There's plastic. Once they stop, you can just go
Yeah.
just a tad more and you're good.
Yeah, you don't need to go high. Nobody's gonna do this. Then the last one is gonna be this. So to do this one, you can like push it back a little bit. That's it. Then we do this one.
And then the linkage.
You can do this one.
Where's that? In my pocket.
You want your pocket?
No. Yeah, it is in my pocket.
So now,
Like 5 screwdrivers in my pocket.
so you remember the one has yeah, that's the one. Has a
Yeah, the
washer.
one that's got the little corrugated
Yeah,
washer
the
on it.
washer doesn't.
And the way you put this back, there's gotta be a mark from the old one. And you're essentially just gonna put it, because when they assembled the MCC, they've already lined this thing up.
Yeah.
Okay. So alignment doesn't matter right now. Just pull the slack on the screw,
Yeah.
and then just you can use using the handle.